Hello, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. So in this video we're going to be working on the Cessna Model 3. It's in for the Wax is Dead 5-year package. We're also doing the wheels and we've upgraded the ceramic on the windows as well. So like I said, we've done a little bit of sanding here and there on some deeper scratches because obviously it is a used vehicle and we want to get the best out of it we can. So we've done a little bit of wet flattening. All the glass has been polished and ceramic, the paint's been polished ceramic, the wheels have been refurbed and ceramic, calipers have been ceramic as well. It's going to be a good video, a little bit of information in there, so yeah, enjoy. So we've got a little bit of a scratch here, it's probably about 12 inches long. It's not too deep, but it's too deep for the machine polisher, so you won't be able to see it on the camera, so I'll put a picture just there. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a little tickle with some 3000 Trizac just to get the edges off of it, and then we'll polish it up and it'll be good. You don't want to go too crazy with sandpaper because obviously once you remove the material you can't put it back. So you just want to give it a little tickle. So when sanding, it's always really important not to put a lot of pressure on your fingers or in too small areas because you'll end up with what we call thorougghs. There is a more technical term for it in the industry, but I'm not going to repeat that. Yeah, good as new. So I'll put a picture up of that now, just here, as you can see. So this is the Wax is Dead IPA prep cleaner. So basically we're just going to give this car a quick flash over with this. It's going to remove any waxes or any contaminants or anything left from the polishing. Not waxes, oils. Left from the polishing stage. Once we've done this, the vehicle will be ready for ceramic. We've heated the unit up. Obviously it's absolutely brassic at the moment. We've heated the unit up ready for the coating and then we'll get it on and go from there.